Hello, everyone. It's Heather with the Roberts Library, part of the Central Arkansas Library System. And I am here to tell you about our new oral history toolkits, which will be available for checkout in our branches. So here's what the kit looks like. Comes in a pouch, and inside is a little Olympus recorder that you can use to record oral histories in person when you're sitting in the same room with the person. And then it's got a little cable so that you can upload your oral histories to a computer or to the cloud so you can save it forever. And then it has a really neat little booklet of all kinds of information. Things like who can do an oral history? It's really anybody. What kind of questions to ask? How to do follow-up questions, and also how to do an oral history right now in the middle of this pandemic. You can do it via Zoom, you can do it via your smartphone. There's all kinds of tips and tricks in here. And this is all available also on our website at robertslibrary.org/oral-history/. Thanks. Check these out at your branches.